Silva's first time out in the garden to have a good old sniff about, away from her babies. You see she's limping. Two reasons she's limping. She has got leash, obviously got stiff joints, and also she's got a sore pad. Don't know how she's done it because she's not been out anywhere, but she's been licking it a lot. I can't put anything on it obviously because she'll lick it off and the pups will be at it. It's not bad. A couple of days ago she didn't want to put her foot down, but she's alright now. I'd like you to go down the garden and have a sniff around the garden. But this is the first time away from her puppy, so she's obviously a bit apprehensive. Come on then. Silva, come on. We're going to check out the chickens now. She'll smell them up there. This is good for her to get away and have a good sniff about. Stretch her legs. I've let her in the play area to get a bit of sunshine and she can hear the chickens. And to walk about a bit, but this is her first time out into the garden. She's at the wrong end of the bloody garden. Don't really want her up here. I want her to go down and have a proper walk around the garden. What can you smell? All sorts, I bet. I might do 2 videos if she's not going to go down there. See if I can get to go down in a bit. What are you doing? Pretty girl.